Hello everyone and welcome to I'll Be Sewing. My name is Gina and this week video will be a little bit different. So the video that is being sponsored by Sewers Club, and so I'm gonna be opening one of their boxes. Sewers Club is a monthly subscription box that you can subscribe and get a box with a new project every month. If you like the box, you can click on the link that I will be putting on the screen. Also, there will be a link on the description of the video on the bottom that you can click on it. You will get a $5 off in your first box. Also, as a bonus, I also will be getting $5. So if you subscribe, that's a way of helping the channel, so I can do more videos for everyone. So we're gonna start opening this box and see what's in it. This box here is a February box, so we're gonna have a look what's in it. So as I open it here, what I see here, there's a little card that has my name on it, and it tells me on the what's the content of the box. So it says, hi Gina, we have some goodies for you. This month box contains, there's 27 inches of North Red, 32 inches of Let's Go Camping by Ann Rowan, and they also have a notion. So if you go on their website, you'll have some more information that you can add a notion to your monthly box. So every month they'll send you a new notion in there. So this is it, and then in here, as the little card said, there's a little, so it comes all neatly folded with a little pattern on the top and the fabric in the bottom. So when you open it, there's the pattern, and of course, because this is a bought pattern, I wouldn't be able to tell you any information about the measurements, but I will do, what I'll do is I'll cut the whole fabric, show you all the pieces, and then I also will show you halfway through the project and the finished project, so you guys can have a look what it looks like. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do now is read my pattern, go through the whole information, cut all my pieces, and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I cut all the pieces according to the pattern. I have all my pieces here cut out, and I still have quite a bit of fabric left over. So there's a lot of the front and back, and there's the one that was used for the pockets and the straps. I still have a fairly big piece. Maybe I'll do another little makeup bag or something afterwards with my leftovers. There's quite a bit. That's definitely enough to make something. So now I'm going to go ahead and sew it. I'm going to put it together according to the pattern that they have here, and I'll show you almost when we're done, almost to the end. So we're all done the project. So here it is, the little apron. The pattern is fairly easy. It's really great for beginner sewers. The instructions are clear, so it's very easy to follow. I chose to do the pockets here on a contrast color, but you could have, was enough fabric to do it on this color if you don't want it to contrast the pockets. It's actually pretty good. The straps are really long, so if you don't really like long straps, you can cut them down, but the pattern is made to be one size fits all, so it accommodates every size, and you can have a really nice bow in the front. And the project is done. I forgot to mention that so Sewers Club also is doing a giveaway to one of you. So for the month of April, one of these boxes will be a giveaway. All you have to do is leave a comment in the bottom of the comments, and we're done. I hope you like this project. Don't forget to click the link if you like to subscribe to Sewers Club and get one of these lovely boxes every month. Happy sewing, everyone.